Yo, Wagwan man, you're tuning into Click React, and today we're gonna be looking at American Idol's most rude contestants. Guys, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications, drop a like, and let me know what you would do if you were one of these judges. We're just gonna get right into it. I'll see you guys later.
Hello.
Hello. Hi.
Hi, how are you?
Come in.
Seeing Simon
What's
just
your
makes
name?
me.
My name's Andrew Fenlon.
Andrew. And why are you here, Andrew?
I'm here auditioning for American Idol. Should be fairly obvious at this
Right.
point.
Okay.
Also, like, waiting around.
Okay. I think you know why I was asking the question. What brought you here to audition?
What brought me here to audition? I don't think it's that interesting of a question, actually, but
Andrew.
I think...
Andrew.
Yes.
I'm gonna just warn you.
Yo, what is wrong with this guy? I get it. Maybe sitting around is annoying, but bro, what do you think an audition is? There's thousands of people that show up.
Now, if you want to
Okay.
carry on being a smartass, you can leave the room.
Oh, I'm not being a smart
So either answer the question.
You're not that smart,
Okay.
so yeah,
Okay,
I agree.
no, I'll answer the questions. I'm gonna answer your questions. I'm sorry, first of all.
Okay. What are you gonna sing?
I'm gonna sing House of the Rising Sun.
That shit
You know
better
that
be
song?
good.
I'm just... Okay. All right,
Andrew,
sorry.
you are really pushing this.
No, all right. I'm just gonna sing it. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to push any buttons. All right. Okay.
Buttons are pushed.
There is a house in New Orleans. It's called the Rising Sun,
I mean, I guess he's not the worst singer, but
and it's been
shit's not impressive to
the
me.
ruin of many a poor boy. And God, I know I'm one.
Why choose this song?
My mother was a tailor.
Mm.
She sewed
She sure was.
my new blue jeans. My
What?
father
People sew jeans?
was a
I mean, I know that's how it's made, but like,
gambling man way down in New Orleans.
Thank you.
Are you angry?
Am I
You
angry?
seem very on edge. Tell us what
he
happened.
seems like a
What
serial
happened?
killer.
I just am on edge from waiting all day. Honestly.
Some what?
Just from waiting. It's just.
Well, you know, the thing is, you want to be in the music business, but you don't want to wait to get into American Idol. That, to me, seems to be a problem. And,
That's a
you know,
good
for you
point.
to have a bad
true.
attitude about
No, I
that
don't
kind
have
of
a bad
pisses me
attitude. I
off.
think you're reading it too
actually.
far.
No, I'm not reading it too far. Because you just told me that you're a little bit
Like, you
annoyed
thought you were
that
gonna come in here and
have
do
to wait
that.
3 hours to come in here and get your shot when there are people that would wait years to
Facts.
do so.
Facts.
So I am now angry at you, who I don't like at all. Well, why are you doing this?
So
why are
why
you
with all
acting
the
like
attitude? What's the problem?
No, there's no problem at all. I think that I don't know why you guys. There's no problem.
You walked in.
Let's get the
very
psychopath.
Sulky, quite rude, very aggressive, and you've got very, very bad energy.
Oh man,
You do.
let's have a little conversation about this.
That
I was trying to seem confident.
confident? It came over the other way.
Very arrogant is how it came out, and you don't have the goods to back it up. That's what I think is
Well,
disappointing.
I don't agree with you. I think I do have the goods to back it up.
I'm still getting that
Cara,
attitude.
Cara, yes or no?
Andrew, no. I'm sorry.
Victoria?
No,
Randy?
Wasn't good enough today, dog. No.
I would have
That's
said
all right.
yes.
you're kidding me.
I don't think he's the worst.
Kidding.
To be honest.
You know what? I had a feeling. I had a feeling
Oh
that you and I.
Yeah,
would
we
have something
started
in
off
guys
bad,
are
but
bond.
kind of got to like each other.
Bonding.
Because he's an asshole
You know
too.
what, Simon, you have an attitude, but you're at least charming.
No,
Yeah.
but
Me?
I'm not,
This guy
Wait a
is,
minute.
you know-
You're being really vicious here.
I'm sorry, I really
Seriously.
don't like you. I have a
I
very
agree with
strong
Cara.
reaction
But
to you. I don't know why.
But
I
I'm
just
not
do-
judging you in this way.
You
Then
can
again,
judge
I'm
me
not
all
a
you
judge.
want. I don't like your
Then
attitude.
again, I'm not
This
a
is why
judge.
we're
It's
getting
a
on
very,
well here,
very,
You can
you know,
judge. Quiet you on the end there. You're being awful, right,
Hey, you
Victoria?
turned the girls
You need a
off, dog.
spanking.
That's not good.
You need a spanking. That's what you need.
Not
a second.
necessarily.
Loki, they probably.
The spanking is very naughty.
Cara, yes or no?
Shut up, Simon.
This is not good.
true.
We
This
don't
is
like
not
you.
good.
Turning a woman off is not a good thing.
I don't know how I turned him off
Oh
so.
God, did you ever have a
No,
girlfriend?
Andrew.
Are you
Well,
married?
Andrew, live and learn from this one.
Yeah.
Simon, shut
Well, I like
up.
you guys.
Well,
Oh my
You guys
God.
are cool.
thank you. See you
See
later.
you later, ladies.
Bye. Ooh, we won't miss you.
Oh my god. Did he walk the wrong way? Yeah, he's walking the wrong way.
Hi, my my name is Kira Scott, and the song I'm singing is Midnight Call. A lot of my females and a lot of Simon's girlfriends could probably relate to this about dating the wrong man and finally getting that wake-up call and letting him go.
Woo! Speak it, girl. Speak the truth.
From the very first day, I knew we would not work out. Cause you and me just ain't the same, and I should have left then.
Only good thing is that these people can actually kind of sing.
Could see how good a woman I could be. You would give it half the chance and be my man. I should have ran away when my girls told me to.
I don't think Simon's gonna like this.
I never thought that I could change your ways.
She pointed at him.
I should have believed it when that girl told me she slept with you, but I didn't want it to be true.
Thank you. Kira, we never dated, did we?
No, you weren't that lucky. Sorry, I have a bone to pick with Simon. He dissed me in New York, so I have something to prove.
What did I say to you?
What did he say to you?
What did I say to you?
He told me I wouldn't make it past the first round, and if I walked into a room, he wouldn't notice me. So therefore, I guess the rumors must be true. You must be gay then.
Ooh. Now we're getting started. Now I'm feeling some energy in here.
Yo, how does she think it's gonna work?
You know, I actually like the song that you had. I like the chorus, the main part that I really like.
That was a B section. That wasn't even the
Well, it
chorus.
sounded like a chorus, man.
The chorus was hot, but you ain't let me get there. That was the verse and the B section.
Kira.
I want to say, go ahead.
No, I was just going to say, Kira, you don't need anything from us. You're very good at judging yourself. So we'll leave it
Can
at
I
that.
say
Yeah.
something? I want to say something. I am shocked and blown away by your disrespect right now. I never expected that from you. I don't know where it came from. You are a girl who's really talented, who is winning us over, but I think destroyed your chances right now because of the
100%.
unbelievable
The attitude was unnecessary at the end.
rudeness. I don't know what to say. I'm blown away. There's a fine line between attitude that's fun and playful
And
then
arrogance.
just being
Disrespectful,
for no
yeah.
reason.
Kira, listen, I actually don't have a problem whatever you want to say back to me. I think the only reason I think Paul and myself intervened is that Randy was just trying to give you some advice on where the song went wrong. That's why I said
You
actually...
got pissed off that we
you know,
stopped.
you-
That
you-
we stopped you before.
Oh, no, I wasn't. No, I'm not mad. I'm not mad at all because you could buy the single. I'm not mad.
Ooh.
There you go, honey.
There you go.
You know what?
All right.
Like
Why
Roland
even come on the
said,
show?
We don't need to say anything. We don't need to say anything.
Yeah,
Thank you,
yeah.
Kira.
Thank you.
Thank you.
When America sees this, they're gonna forget about Taylor who, Carrie Underwear, I mean Fantasia when, but they will remember Ian Bernardo. And that's gonna happen. That's not my phone. That's yours.
This outfit, man.
Hello.
Hello, how are you?
Good.
How are you?
What's your name?
My name is Ian Bernardo. It's my name.
How old are you?
I am 25 years old, Mr. Cowell,
All right, and why are you here in?
to try out for American Idol.
No, I know that.
That's
good.
That's like, why else would I be at American Idol? I'm here to be the next American Idol. I thought that it would be a nice addition to my already long and impressive resume,
Which is...
which is superstar, dancer, singer. And this
Okay.
is chinchilla, and I'm wearing it specifically to show the world how wealthy I can be.
Well, you're not a superstar, but you are a singer.
I am a
dancer.
superstar.
No, with respect, Ian, you're not a superstar, but you may be a singer and a dancer.
I
which is
am a
why you
singer,
don't-
I'm a dancer, and I am a superstar. You can ask my family, you can ask my friend, you can ask one of my therapists. I am a
Therapist.
How many therapists do you have?
I have two.
Therapist.
Okay, what are you going to say?
Gloria.
Okay.
Gloria, you're always on the run now, running after somebody. You're gonna get him somehow. I think you got to slow down before you start to blow it. I think you're headed for a breakdown, so be careful not to show it. You really don't remember, was it something that he said, or the voices in
Honestly,
your
yo,
head
delusion is
calling,
crazy.
Gloria, don't you think you're falling? If everybody wants you, why isn't anybody calling? You don't have to answer.
That's a good line for him to look in the mirror and say.
Calling Gloria, Gloria.
I might have to search up the real song here because this is like.
Will you meet him on the main line,
Okay.
or will you
Okay.
catch him on the rebound? Will
Okay.
you marry for?
Okay. Randy.
Oh, God,
Hey,
dude,
yo.
I don't even know what to say.
Thank you.
Didn't mean it that way, but
3 syllables, Hollywood. Like, it's not that hard. Like, just
are you
say
real?
it.
Wow.
Are you real? Is this real?
I'm breathing, I'm real, I'm Ian.
Let me tell you what this was, Ian.
Wow.
This was a very hammy, bad audition for you as
That was
something you
scary.
aspire to be, which obviously isn't a singer.
Mm.
And you,
Yeah, I don't even think that would
it's
be
not
good, like, for
funny,
spoken word.
You're not good at anything. And this is all your
No,
lips.
no,
Wait, what about the
I- I-
dancing?
Ian,
Tell me what an American
I haven't
Idol
finished
is.
yet, okay? It's just rubbish.
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 That's British for garbage.
Rubbish.
Like, what is that? Like, rubbish. Who
No,
says
but
that
Ian,
word
you know what,
even?
Ian?
No,
Look,
I
you're
don't.
doing
Who
your
says
shtick.
that word?
Do it outside.
Who are you?
Do it outside. I
Do
don't wanna
outside.
hear
Do you even have a working visa
Ian,
to be
I
here?
am bored
wanna
of
ask
you.
That. I want to
They're
see
bored
as
of
a
you.
no, as a tax-paying American in my
Out you
country,
go.
I want to see your working visa because I don't think you're legally.
Ian,
allowed to be here.
Ian, I'm bored
I don't
now.
feel. I'm bored with you. I don't think it's fair that you're
Mike,
critiquing me like this.
Take Mr. Boring out.
Wow.
Mr. Boring out. Who are you?
Wow.
Oh, I've had it with this one. Oh, this is the most ridiculous thing ever. My face should be right here, and you have the audacity that I'm getting outside by security because I'm such a threat. You're not even American, and you're in my country, and you're going to tell me what an American.
Mika.
Everybody's searching for a hero. People need someone to look up to.
Thank you. Randy.
Oh, that was
I
it?
don't think that you're a solo singer at all. I think you're
I'm
more.
sorry?
I don't feel that you're a solo singer. I don't feel that you have a solo singer's voice.
Whoa.
I'm quite sure I sing a whole lot better than you do. And for you to tell me I need lessons?
Tamika. Enough.
I'm
He didn't even
hurt.
say that.
I'm hurt and I'm angry.
Feisty.
You're not standing where I'm
Welcome to American Idol Smackdown.
coming from. You're not standing here being judged by people about how
Well, you asked to
sing.
come here and do
You're
that.
not singing, are you? And for you to tell me that I need lessons?
Tamika.
It's
Tamika,
Tamika.
listen to me.
please.
Tamika.
Not Tamika.
Tamika, go to an audition where they lie to you. Thank you very much
Oh,
indeed.
no, I'm not about to go to an audition where they
go
lie
there.
to me.
Yeah, we're telling you the truth, and you don't want to hear it.
Go there. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Y'all got problems. Y'all got major issues. He can go kiss my natural-born black ass.
Okay.
For all I care. Because he don't know diddly squat. And neither do that big fat black that's sitting on the other side. He don't know either. And Paula Abdul is just jealous.
What the fuck? Damn, bro. That shit escalated very quickly. They just made you say 3 lines. It wasn't good enough. Damn, man. But guys, don't forget to hit that like and sub button. I'll see you guys later.